Is the India First Life Guaranteed Benefit Plan a true game changer or just another overhyped insurance product? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So this is a non-participating non-linked individual savings life insurance plan, and some of the key features of the policy are you can choose between the income benefit or lump sum benefit option based on your financial needs, and you can receive payouts as monthly income, annual income, and a maturity benefit at the end of the policy term, and you can enjoy the policy benefits for the full term while paying premiums for only a limited period, and you can stay protected with a 1-year life cover extension even if you miss a premium payment, which is applicable after paying your premiums for 2 full years, and you can strengthen your family's financial security with the waiver of premium rider, and you can provide for your loved ones with a death benefit available as a lump sum payment or in installments over the next 5 years. Also, you can avail tax benefits on premiums paid and benefits received as per the prevailing tax laws. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are benefits like survival benefit, maturity benefit, death benefit, and all these benefits differ based on the plan option you have opted for. So if you want to know more about it in detail, you can definitely refer to the policy brochure. So now some of the advantages of the policy are you can enhance your base policy by adding riders for additional coverage, and you can access a loan of up to 80% of the available surrender value when needed, and you can enjoy the assurance of guaranteed benefits throughout the policy term, and you can even secure your family's future by ensuring that in case of death, accidental total permanent disability, or a defined critical illness, future premiums are waived while the policy benefits continue. Some disadvantages, however, are the income benefit is generally meant for discretionary expenses. This plan does not offer loyalty additions. Although the benefits are guaranteed, the returns are relatively low. The sum assured may fall short of meeting your financial needs. So these are some drawbacks that you need to be mindful about before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let's move on to the analysis part of the video. To help us make an informed decision, we are going to conduct a IRR analysis of this policy to calculate the IRR return of this policy, which is the internal rate of return of this policy, based on the benefit illustration provided in the policy brochure to assess the cash flow and its overall value. So, for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 35-year-old male purchases this policy by opting for the lump sum benefit option under this plan. He chooses a sum assured of 5 lakhs with a policy term of 15 years and a premium paying term of 5 years, paying an annual premium of 50,000 rupees. So under the lump sum benefit option, the maturity benefit is paid as a lump sum at the end of the policy term. So at maturity, he receives 4.53 lakhs, resulting in an internal rate of return IRR of 4.66% as per the policy's maturity calculator. Such returns are unattractive for a long-term investor. While the lump sum benefit does not provide regular income, survival benefits, its low IRR suggests that the income benefit option, despite offering periodic payouts, would likely yield an even lower return. So given these subpar returns, this policy is not an ideal choice for those looking to achieve their long-term financial goals. So what we are going to do now is we are going to conduct a comparative analysis with an alternative strategy. So here we are going to efficiently allocate the premium you use for the India First policy to allocate it for insurance and investments separately in the strategy. So for insurance purpose, we have opted for a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 5 lakhs, which cost an annual premium of 5,400 rupees. With a 5-year premium paying term and a 15-year policy term, this leaves us with 44,600 rupees annually for investment. So your investments can be tailored to your risk profile. Like if you're a high risk investor, you can opt for equity instruments, while if you're a low risk investor, you may prefer debt instrument. But for this comparison, we are considering ELS's equity linked savings scheme as the investment option. So at the end of 15 years, the ELS's corpus grows to 9.85 lakhs. So after deducting the capital gains tax, the post-tax value is 9.05 lakhs, resulting in a post-tax IRR of. So if you have doubts regarding how the ELSS tax is calculated, we do have a separate tabular column presented on the screen for your reference. You can refer to that. So this alternative strategy not only provides you with higher returns but also offers greater flexibility to adjust withdrawals based on your financial needs. So what is the final verdict on IndiaFirst Life Guaranteed Benefit Plan? Is it worth investing or not? This policy is designed to provide regular income or maturity benefits, offering flexibility to choose a variant based on your cash flow needs. However, its low returns makes it an unattractive investment option. Moreover, the sum assured may not be sufficient to provide adequate financial security for your family in case of unforeseen events. Since neither the insurance nor the investment component offers substantial benefits, this plan is not ideal for inclusion in your investment portfolio, and it also has a high agent commission. So, a more effective approach is to separate investments from life insurance. A pure term life insurance policy ensures strong financial protection for your family, while a well diversified investment portfolio aligned with your risk tolerance can help generate higher returns and provide better liquidity for your financial goals. So, choosing the right investment and insurance product is essential for effective financial planning. So, if you need professional guidance, consider consulting with a certified financial planner to develop a personalized financial strategy tailored to your risk profile and a long term financial objective.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.